Hello guys, this is the fourth tutorial in the beginner scripting series, and today we'll be learning about basic math in Lua. Also, I forgot to mention something in the last video about variables, so I'm going to briefly explain it in this video. So let's hop into a base plate and open up a script. Right, so obviously we know we can create a variable like this, local age equals 16, but let's say we want to update the value stored in this variable. So we can change it by doing age equals 17, okay? Or whatever number we want to change it to. Well, in this case, now whenever we reference the age variable, it holds the new value 17 instead of 16. All right, and notice that we don't need to use the local keyword again because we're not creating a new variable, rather we're just updating the existing one. All right, so let's print this out. Let's add a print before we actually change it as well, and run. We can see that it prints 16 and then 17, right? And let's say we didn't change it, or yeah, if we didn't change it, it would just be 16, right? Yeah, so that's how we know it changed. Okay, cool. Now that that's out of the way, I'm going to show you how to do some basic math operations in Lua. All right, so we can perform basic math operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's go through a few examples. First, all right, let's have our age, and then maybe we want to add 1 to our age. Like in the previous example, we just did age equals 17, right? That's just our age plus 1. So if we want to add 1 to this, we could just do maybe like 16 plus 1, right? So that'll set age to equals 16 plus 1, okay? And as you can see, we use the plus sign for addition. So let's just print out age, right? And we can see that actually it prints out 17. That's because we set age to be 16 plus 1, which is 17. All right, so now we can also do something like this actually. Instead of saying 16 here, to do age equals age plus 1. In math, this wouldn't make any sense because age doesn't equal age plus 1. But in coding, you want to think of the left side as the one being assigned a value and the right side being the value. So in this case, we're setting the value of the variable age, right? So we're setting the value of the variable age to the value of age plus 1, right? So we run this, we get 17, which is the result we were looking for. All right, now let's say we want to subtract 2 years, okay? Then we could simply just change this. We use a subtraction symbol, just minus 2. So here we initialize age as 16, then we will set it to age equals age minus 2, which is going to be 14. We run it, we get 14. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. All right, now let's do multiplication and division. They're pretty much the same as addition and subtraction, but with different symbols. So multiplication uses an asterisk, and then so this is how you could multiply our age by 2. Let's print it out. You can see that we got 32. That's because we initialize our age as 16, then we just multiply by 2, which is 32. Right? And then division is going to be a front slash symbol. So if we want to divide our age by 2, we can do age equals age front slash and then 2. Okay, so that's how you can divide it by 2. And so we should get 8 if we print this. There we go, 8. Also, one thing to note is that you're not limited to only one operation in a statement. So for example, we have, let's say we have age plus 1 plus 1. So you can see we have two operations, which is two plus symbols, right? And this would pretty much be age plus 2. So we'll print out 18. There we go. You can see it printed out 18 down there. But yeah, so that's all I wanted to show you guys for this tutorial. We covered how to create and update variables in Lua, and we even explored some basic math operations. These are the building blocks for more complex scripts, so make sure you practice and get comfortable with them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.